Imagine this. You're rushing out, your Galaxy S25 Plus is at 10%, and your old charger crawls at a snail's pace. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to power up to 50% in just 20 minutes? Yes, we're talking about the best 45W USB-C super fast wall chargers designed to keep up with your fast-paced life. Welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench, your go-to spot for the best tech accessories. Today, we're breaking down the top Galaxy S25 Plus 45W chargers that deliver insane speed, reliability, and safety. Fire want to charge smarter, not slower? Stick around. And don't forget, you'll find the best deals in the description below, so grab yours while they last. Let's get started. On number 5 is Weboyo's super fast charger. Is your Galaxy S25 Plus taking forever to charge? Say goodbye to slow charging with the Weboyo super fast charger. This powerhouse delivers up to 45W of super fast charging, getting your Galaxy S25 Plus juiced up in record time. It's nearly 3x faster than a standard 15W adapter and 2x faster than a 25W charger. So no more waiting around. Electric plug perfect for travel. With its wide voltage range, 100-240V, this EU super fast wall charger is a must-have for jet setters heading to Europe. Plus, the 1M USB-C cable ensures seamless fast charging on the go. Fire safety first. Equipped with PPS and PD 3.0 technology, it automatically adjusts voltage for optimal charging while protecting against overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. If you want the best 45W USB-C charger for your Galaxy S25 Plus, this is it. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. At number 4 is Ubearkk Super Fast Charger. Is your charger slowing you down? Imagine going from 0 to 50% battery in just 20 minutes. That's exactly what the Ubearkk 45W Super Fast Charger delivers. With Super Fast Charge 2.0 and power delivery technology, it's one of the best Galaxy S25 Plus 45W USB-C super fast wall chargers you can get right now. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. This Type-C charger isn't just powerful, it's versatile. It works seamlessly with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and even tablets like the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Plus, the 1M USB-C to USB-C cable supports 100W charging, meaning you can even fast charge laptops. Talk about future-proofing. Pros are super fast 45W charging for Galaxy S25/S24 Ultra. Safe, compact, and travel-friendly design. Universal compatibility with older and future Samsung devices. Cons are no dual-port option for multi-device charging. So, is this your next go-to charger? Let me know in the comments. On number 3 is Anker charger block. Tired of waiting for your phone charge? What if I told you the Anker 45W super fast charger can power your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus to 50% in just 20 minutes? Yep, that's faster than your morning coffee run. But is this the ultimate USB-C fast charger you need? Let's dive in. Movie camera, B-roll, unboxing, close-up of charger, plugging it in. This isn't just fast, it's smart. With multi-protect technology, your device stays safe from overheating and short circuits. Plus, it's universally compatible, meaning you can charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and even tablets or laptops with ease. Light bulb, and here's the kicker. You get two 5-feet USB-C cables built to handle 100W power with insane 10,000 plus bend resistance. No more frayed wires. Pros are blazing fast 45W charging for the latest Galaxy devices. Durable, long cables included. Safe, compact, and travel-friendly. Cons are no extra USB-A port for legacy devices. At number 2 is Vilive Super Fast Charger. What if I told you that your charger is holding you back? The Vilive S25W Super Fast Charger takes your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. That's 5x faster than a standard charger. But is it really the best Galaxy S25 Plus 45W USB-C Super Fast Wall Charger alternative for those who want speed and portability? Let's break it down. This Type-C charger is compact yet powerful. It's perfect for on-the-go charging, and with a massive 12 feet USB-C cable, you can comfortably charge from across the room. No more awkward stretching. Light bulb, and it gets even better. With dual charging support, you can power 2 devices at once, perfect for traveling with a partner. Plus, its intelligent chip protects against overheating and overcharging, keeping your device safe. Pros are super compact and portable. Extra long 12 feet USB-C cable. Fast 25W charging with safety features. Cons are not 45W, so won't max out charging speeds for S25 Ultra. Now moving to the last one is POWJDWZ phone charger. What if I told you your phone could go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes? That's exactly what the POWJDWZ 45W Super Fast Charger does. It's one of the best Galaxy S25 Plus 45W USB-C Super Fast Wall Chargers with a 1M USB-C cable. And today, we're putting it to the test. This charger isn't just fast, it's smart. With multiple voltage outputs from 5V to 20V, it automatically delivers the right power for your device, whether it's a Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Plus, or even a Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Light bulb, and here's the best part. The included USB-C to USB-C cable supports 5A power delivery and 480 megabits per second data transfer speeds, so you can charge and transfer files in seconds. Pros are super fast 45W charging for flagship Samsung devices. Compact and travel-friendly. Universal USB-C compatibility. Cons are no dual-port option for charging multiple devices at once. So, is this your next fast charger? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So guys, this was a video about the 5 best Galaxy S25 Plus 45W USB-C Super Fast Wall Chargers with 1M USB-C cable. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.